You want your webinar to run automatically anytime someone visits your funnel. In this video, I will show you how to create an evergreen webinar funnel in GoHighLevel in just few steps. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link of GoHighLevel, the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So check the link to grab the offer and let's get back to the video. So first of all, you have to log in your account. GoHighLevel dashboard just comes on in and click on this sites here. And you will be redirected on this page, the funnel, and here just click on this add a new funnel or this button. Now you will see three options from blank, funnel AI and from template. So we are going to use this one from blank, just give it a name. Now click on this create button. Now just create the step here, just click on this add new step and give it a name. Then if you want, then you can create a webinar replay page. And lastly, just create a thank you page. Okay. Now edit all of this step according to your needs. So just select this one and click on this here, create from blank. So we are going to create a registration page here. So first of all, I will add a heading here. Okay, so top of this. Okay, so just add a heading, then I'm searching for the only form and that's it. Just paste it here. Now here, so if you don't have any registration form before, you can create by clicking here. So you will be redirected on form builder and here you can create your form. Registration, then click on this save. Now just here again click on this plus icon here and search for the form. Now select this one, the registration form. Okay, so see, after register here, people will be redirected. Button action, make sure you select this one, go to the next step. Okay, now click on this save or publish. Okay, so we have done with this page. Now go back, change this webinar reply. So I think it's don't need it right now, so I'm just deleting this step. I want people simply will be redirected on the thank you page. So just click here and again click on this create from blank. Now here simply just add a column here. Inside this I want to add a headline. Okay, so let's change text. Now add here a button to get back on the home page. Okay, let's change, go home, and it will be button action will be website URL. Okay, and give your website URL here, the home page. So this is our website and just save it, and that's it. Your evergreen funnel for the webinar is created. Now you can connect this with an automation like the form submission or who is interested. So that's it basically. This is how you can build your evergreen webinar funnel in a few minutes. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.